hate cauliflower. Hey folks, Bigmista here. And I have to say, I am truly burnt out on cauliflower. And I have seen so many recipes for everything cauliflower. Cauliflower rice, cauliflower grits, cauliflower pizza, cauliflower mac and cheese, cauliflower fried chicken, everything. I am truly burnt out on cauliflower. I mean, I'm tired of seeing all the recipes. And to be honest, I don't like cauliflower to begin with. So I set out to find some type of substitute that I could use for cauliflower in my recipes. Something that has the texture of a potato, which is what I'm really looking for. It has some good flavor and it'll absorb the other flavors around it. And guess what I came up with? The turnip! Turnip, 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 turnip. That's right, the turnip, folks. I am using turnips right now and I am enjoying every minute of it. And today we're going to show you a recipe that's quick and easy as a side dish for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It's called Turnip Hash. That's right, our Keto Turnip Hash. So check it out. Let's get cooking. Okay, folks, you know how we roll here. Let's start with the ingredients. I have 2 turnips, peeled and diced. I'd say 2 medium ones. I had a big one and a small one, so we're going to average it out. 2 mediums. I have some red onion, red, green, and bell pepper. I have salt, seasoning salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. And that's all we need. Okay, we're going to heat up a couple of tablespoons of avocado oil in the pot. Yeah, that looks about right. Okay, now that our oil is nice and hot, we're on medium hot fire, we're going to add in our turnips. Just kind of spread them around in there, get them coated. And to speed along the process, we're going to cover them and let them cook for 5 to 10 minutes or until they're starting to get fork tender. Let's take a look here. Oh yeah, they're starting to get some color on them now. They're softening up. Now the time to add in our other veggies. Got our red onion, some red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper. Be trying to keep my yellow bell pepper. And some green. Because you know Bigmista likes to keep it festive. Let's give that a mix. Get it all sizzling there. Oh yeah, baby. Looking good. Now we got to put some flavor on it. So let's start off with some seasoning salt. Don't be bashful. It's all got to cook. I'm going to add some black pepper. I'm going to try not to get too much in there, because a shaker's never enough, but when you open up the hole, everything comes out. All right. And we're going to add some granulated garlic. Now let's add some granulated garlic. You know me, there's never enough garlic. Then we're going to give this a mix. Oh, baby. And we're just going to let that continue to cook till we get some nice color on all the veggies, and we'll be ready to eat. And that's it. We got some nice color on it. Now we have some turnip hash. Let's get this plated up and get to grubbing. Okay, so you saw I had some pulled pork, got some tomatoes and avocado, and some keto garlic bread that I made with fathead dough. But the star tonight is this turnip hash, so we're gonna give it a try. Make sure we did everything right. Yeah, that's good. You get a little sweetness from the peppers. But the turnips have a little tang to them that's different from potatoes. But they have the same texture and they soaked up the other flavors. This is good. This is a good side dish that you can have, like I said, breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Turnip hash, and good. So, listen folks, I'm trying to get that down. Listen, if you like what you saw here, please give us a like. Subscribe to us so you can always know what's going on with us. Hit that notification button. You'll get a little ding every time I do a video. And I loved having you here. Appreciate you stopping in. And we'll see you real soon.